Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna do a Nykaa haul. So I bought these items a couple of days back and I always wanted to do this Nykaa haul, but before I did it I already used the items in all my videos, so I'm sorry for that. So yes, let's not waste any time and let's get into the video. So पहले I want to tell you कि I bought this Nykaa Prep Up primer because my primer was getting over. So I just wanted to try something new, and this is a transparent primer, like my all-time favorite. I love transparent primers. This cost me around 500 rupees, I guess. Worth the price because they have this quantity and it is full, you guys. So this is so good. And for the skin, again, when I speak for dry skin, amazing. And yeah, so it tones your skin, smoothens your skin, and it just gives you that non-greasy look, which is very important. So yes, so this is amazing. If you guys want this, I have updated you with the links down in the description box. Go and buy it. Another product which I brought from Nykaa is the new Lasting Drama Gel Liner from Maybelline. This is so pigmented, you guys. You guys must have this if you guys are looking out for some nice gel liner. I'll show you. God. Alright. Yeah, so this is something like this. I've not used it yet. Yeah, you guys, so good. So this is so much pigmented, like I have used it on my hand. Look at that brush, you guys, such a tiny brush and so good brush, you guys. So इससे liner बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से बनती है. I have used this before also, so this is my second product. So yes, you guys, and this cost me around 500 again. So very nice, and for 500 I can tell you it is worth the price. Though ये आपको बहुत कम लग रहा, but when you apply this, it's like you take a very small quantity of the product, so it's fine. 500 के लिए ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. Another thing I want to talk about the kajal is इसकी packaging, you guys. इसकी packaging इतनी अच्छी थी. Like I love the way they have given this. Like नीचे मेरा gel liner है और यहाँ पे मेरा brush है, so I can store it also. So yes. Alright, so next thing is the PAC lash fixer. So I always wanted to use a very good product for the for my lashes, like I mean the glue. So I just read about PAC, and trust me, they have amazing lashes also. So I don't want to invest on lashes right now, so I just thought कि why not glue खरीद लेते हैं. So trust me, this is so good, you guys. मतलब मैं अभी तो वीडियो के लिए ही ग्लू लगा के लैशेस लगाती हूँ, बट अगर मैं नॉर्मली बाहर भी जाऊँ, और ट्रस्ट मी, जब मैं निकालने जाती हूँ वो नहीं निकलता. आई हैव टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट टू टेक दैट ऑफ. So this is so good, so trustworthy, and especially for all the professionals out there. If you're looking something like you're looking for a glue for your clients, then this is an amazing product. This again cost me around 395 rupees, which is again worth the price because they have given me such a big bottle. I could not see you such a big bottle, but I think it's worth the price because it actually works really well. So alright, so yes, you guys, if you guys are looking for a very nice lash fixer, then this is it. Okay, another product which I have almost used and this is going to get over is the LA Pro concealer. This is in the shade Natural Beige. Alright, मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि what is my shade. Okay, I somehow figured it out and I bought this with all the guts I had, because I don't know, अगर ये shade गलत हो जाता तो like क्या यार, it won't be useful at all. So somehow it came out really well, and this cost me around 600. Alright, not too pricey, guys, but worth the price again. But if you say about the quantity, yes, quantity come hai because I have used in last 5 videos and this is about to get over. Like I'm gonna do this chamta, okay. So whatever it is, guys, if you talk about the coverage, amazing coverage. If you want to go for a very nice concealer, go for this. It is alright. Another product is the Wet n Wild white kajal. Again, I have used this in my video, so you have seen how it works. But again, I love this, guys. I mean, I always wanted to have a white kajal in my vanity, and here it is. With all my guts, I finally bought it. I didn't know कि मैं कैसे लगने वाली हूँ, and I always had this doubt कि मैं कैसे लगूँगी. But when I wore this, so pretty, you guys. It gives me such a nice look. If you have not watched my last video, I have put the link down in the description box. Do watch it. You can see how this worked, and this is so amazing, you guys. I mean, Another product which is not bought from Nykaa, of course, okay. This is the lashes from Amazon. Okay, I randomly picked these lashes because I didn't wanted to go, I didn't wanted to invest a lot on lashes right now because I think अभी मैं videos के लिए लगाती हूँ lashes, so मुझे नहीं लगता है कि मुझे lashes पे इतना invest करना चाहिए. Glue अलग बात है because that affects my eyes. But when I talk about lashes, I felt like abhi ke liye just thought let's go for some light lashes right now. So I got this. I'll show you. Okay, this was the packaging. Okay, this is a China product, so don't judge me. Alright, so this was the packaging and I'll tell you how it looks inside. Okay, yeah, this way. So yes, you guys, so these are 10 lashes and they have different textures. This one is the high drama and I don't know what they call these. But yeah, you can see there are different types of lashes here and all these are looking clumsy because I've used them and I've stuck them again. This one, this one, this one. So yes, you guys, so when I talk about these lashes, these are super good. They look so natural. Like you have to go somewhere to a function, you're gonna wear the lashes only for around 2-3 hours. You can definitely buy this because they give us so many options and this cost me around $2.95, not more than that, which was very cheap. That's why I bought this because as I told you, okay. So yes, you guys, I think this is not available in Amazon anymore, but if it is, I will put the link down in the description box. Another product which I brought from Nykaa is this mini Maybelline lipstick. This is in the shade Touch of Spice. This cost me around only 200 rupees. Normal, the medium one is 450 rupees. I got this for 200 rupees because it's a mini lipstick. I didn't wanted to buy a lipstick without a trial, so I just thought ki why not just a mini lipstick. So yeah, so I'll show you the shade. Okay, this is so good. I mean, if I get a chance, I will buy the big one, of course. So yes, you guys, so you guys can see this, such a nice shade, you guys. I've swatched it here. This is a very nice pinky shade. I love this. Okay, all these college people can definitely wear this. Very nice lipstick. Not matte, of course, because I'm a person who eats my lipstick, so I always depend upon a matte lipstick. So yeah, so this is not a matte lipstick, but it's okay, fine. It can stay on your lips for around 1 to 2 hours, so which is more than enough. So yes, you guys, if you guys are looking out for a very nice lipstick, so yes, go for this. This is in the shade Touch of Spice. Alright, so yes. Alright guys, so these were the items I bought from Nykaa. Alright, these were not really a lot of it because I didn't really wanted to invest a lot on makeup right now. So yes, you guys, because I already have a lot of products at my house, so I just didn't wanted to add on. So yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you guys found this an informative one. If you guys also want to buy any of these products, the link is down in the description box. Go get it. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. Link is down in the description box. And like my video, subscribe my channel and hit that bell button. Bye.